kaunti ino ya Nyandarua igitongoretio ni gavana wa guku Kiarie Badilisha ni maheanite mukana kuri madagitari A Maigirira na aria maikoretwo magitabania utungata kana makoretwo makiheana utungata wa urigiti wa mahiu kuri muingi matakiri na marua maria mabatarikanite kuringana na Badilisha na uria waritie mucemanio-ini hamwe na arigitani augite ati makorwo magitacukiria makinya marumu ma kiwatho na ni riboti iria tukihaririirio ni mwandiki kagera wa giteru.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua ni rehete hamwe madagitari a mahiu kumathomithia uria mekuta wira wao wega na kuri munene wa bodi ya arigitani oritie arigitani a Maigirira matige wira kana monane na watho.
I have identification cards for these professionals. So those who are in my register for 2023, I have their cards. And this means that when a professional goes to Wanjiko, he is supposed to identify himself. Is he really the correct practitioner? So that the quack does not have this, so he should not be able to handle the animals. That they should not go to a farmer without an identification. That will help us weed out the quacks in the first place. So that if somebody doesn't have this, let them not attend to animals. And that means that if they do a disservice to the farmer, you can quickly come back to us and we will discipline them.
Minister wa urimi na mahiu kaunti-ini ino Harun Miringo agwite kigomano giki ni giguteithia madagitari aya kurutira arimi wira mwega.
Like the way it is with our health services, the normal health services, Your Excellency. We need to look at the health of our animals from that angle. If I walk to a hospital, there are those vitals that I need actually to be assessed with. I am sick. The doctor does not come and just look at me and just go back and get some medicine and give me. No, he engages with me, and this is what we are calling upon, all the players, so that the farmer, who is actually the first, in the team that is being affected, the farmer is affected because their animal is affected. They are coming on board. They will actually work towards building or helping us build a healthy livestock herd.
Waina ke gavana Kiarie Badilisha ni uri arigitani aya mehogania mukana arigitani amwe maraka wira wao giko.
I didn't know that we have such a huge team handling our animals. No wonder we are second in production of milk in this country. So, when we hear of some segments of some, what do I call them? Unnecessary particles found in the meat, in the milk, how do you think we feel? We feel that we are so unsafe. And if we are unsafe, how are we going to grow the economy? How are we going to live to see the next day? And the people who are going to help us are these people seated right before me here in this hall today. We are not going to allow such good work done by good people to be spoiled by one or two characters who just want to enrich themselves and they want to go through shortcuts.
Girifuatela Mudgi TV, ya kagera wa giteru.
I'm very sure if we accept this regulation and follow the read-down procedures and professionalism, we'll enjoy our work.
Aya, tugitigane na ripoti ya